My client sent me her wedding bouquet. She explained to me that she had a beach-inspired wedding. So she wanted to turn her flowers into a tray with pearls from her bouquet so she's always reminded of her special day. Marissa's one-year anniversary flowers and what she ordered. A notebook with her flowers that says 1 year with you. A beautiful necklace. 2 matching keychains. 1 for her and 1 for her special person. I added these earrings that are made with her flowers as a gift. My client sent me the bouquet her boyfriend gave her in Turkey. She wanted her pieces to remind her of their time in Turkey together. So I made her a wall decor with the moon, stars, and the evil eye. My client received these beautiful roses from a special person and wanted to gift them back in a unique way. So we decided to make a single flower cube with a cute message with 1 rose for her special person. She also requested 1 for herself with the date she received the flowers printed on it. We made a hair clip with both roses. Special flowers don't have to die. My client Joan wanted to preserve her red rose in a notebook. She asked me to do a moon-themed piece. So we did phases of the moon and put her rose petals inside each phase of the moon. They're also glow in the dark. A red notebook to match her red rose. These are the roses my client proposed to his fiancée with. His fiancée doesn't know he kept them, so he wanted to make something special with them. So we made this gorgeous flower block. And this single flower cube to save their special date. Asma's 20th birthday flowers and what we made with them. What I can do with few petals. These are my client's special flowers. 2 necklaces, 2 rings, 2 earrings, my client sent me her 3-year anniversary flowers, and this is what we turned them into. A heart-shaped wall piece. A beautiful tray. And a matching jewelry dish. Watch me turn my client's dead flowers into a car chain for her man. A thoughtful anniversary gift. My client sent me the very first rose she received from her boyfriend. She wanted to turn it into matching bracelets. Black leather bracelet for him and a gold bracelet for her. With beads made with her special rose petals. My client sent me the very first rose her husband got her. She explained to me that he doesn't know she kept it, and it was in a fragile condition. So we turned it to this beautiful ring, hair clip, and necklace.